Alright, I'm out here at the junction 1469 railroad crossing in Virgie, Kentucky, near Pikeville. So the first signal here is a gayless signal. It's got a Satrin base. Here I have a CSX emergency information. So the DOT number is 228230K, and milepost is CMN 7.87. And the mad lights are Satrin Talbot 24 Jickadozen lights, as you can see right here. Right down there, the second signal, it's got another Satrin base, another Satrin Talbot 24 Jickadozen lights, and the bell on top of the signal, we have a NGE bell. And there's a track view right down there, as you can see. There's a CSX much information right down there. It says it has yellow sign with no crossbuck. Satellite train's capacity for a long time ago it was. And there's a relay case. As you can see this track right here. It's not abandoned still. It's got some grass growing up. Right there. And then we have pieces of the lights, which you can see. Gotta keep it. And there's a railroad bridge, which you can see right here. See the CCS works information. So yeah, let me go back over here. So yeah, here we have a junction 1469 railroad crossing in Virgie, Kentucky. See the signal shaking. So yeah, over and out.